Want to see the craziest and most unbelievable plays in baseball? Look who came to the right place. Here are some of the most incredible plays ever in MLB history. Number 20. Take a look at this catch.
There's a long fly ball, deep center field. Jackson's back. He leaps. He made it unbelievable.
Our man here thinks he's Superman. Not gonna lie, he had us fooled. Damn. Number 19. Another incredible feat that has amazed many who love America's favorite pastime. Watch as this guy athletically gets rid of his opponent.
Pitch is swung on a miss. Throw to second base is high. They're going to say that Rojas got in the way. It doesn't matter. Sosa tagged him out anyway.
Let's look at this in slow motion. Damn. Number 18. Watch out. This next play is enough to knock someone out. Take a look at what this hit did to a fan's car.
There's a drive. Deep to left. Way up and have a night, Melky Cabral.
Surely one of the few home runs a player would regret. Number 17. A player is forced to decide between baseball and football.
Base hit right field, but they're going to have to hold Jeltz at third. Oh, and now the ball gets away from O'Neal. He kicks it to Benzinger. No, I do not believe it.
At least he was able to save his team with his indecision. What a pass though. Number 16. A new twist to Hand of God.
Diaz, the only one on the right side of the infield. This one down the right field line. Sanchez. Oh, boy! He caught it with his bare hand. He overran it and caught it with his bare hand.
This man made this save with his bare hands. What a feat. Oliver Kahn wishes he could. Number 15. Yo, talk about adjusting to the situation.
Deflected over. Looking to play by Barley. Mercy! Wow!
Take a look at how this guy prevents his opponent from getting to base. Talk about blind precision. Number 14. If there was ever a time to celebrate stealing, this is it.
The Cruz goes. Pitch called a strike. Throw down on a skip late. Another steal for Elly de la Cruz.
This is the first time somebody has made such steals in over 60 years.
It's off again. Pitch down and in. Fade throw. There's no chance. 2 steals.
How was the entire team caught slipping so badly?
If he got a jump.
He's going down. The throw. He stole.
He even stole home base in the end. Number 13. How do you get someone out without using a ball?
That's why the first pitch strike was important for Hernandez. Sidearm delivery and a comebacker. There's the good athleticism. He throws the glove to first for the out. The ball was stuck in his glove, and so he threw the entire thing over to get out number 2.
This man throws the ball to first base while it's still inside the glove. Are we serious right now? Talk about keeping your gloves on. Number 12. Yo, take a look at some of the most outrageous throws in MLB history.
Right center, going to be trouble. Hicks won't be able to get it. It gets onto that warning track and takes a hard carom, and Wells wants another base. Hicks with a very long throw, and he got him. There goes Nafee around second, heading for third. Look at that throw from right. Wow! Off the side wall, and they're going to wave home Kendrick. The throw to the plate is there, and they got him. Are you kidding me? Wow.
Maybe some of these guys should moonlight as quarterbacks because damn. Number 11. Looks like someone forgot that he was playing baseball. Take a look at this guy.
Against reliever Larry Anderson. Fastball tapped at the plate. It'll trickle down the third baseline. The Mariners are going to let it roll. Lenny Randall gets down on his hands and knees and blows on it like a curler, and it goes foul.
Is he trying to start a fire? Even his teammates think he blows. He should quit this job for one that blows. Number 10. We crack on into the top 10 by looking at what could possibly be the craziest double play in MLB history.
From a young age.
Oh man, that was set up for a double play. Franco throws offline, good stop. And Jacob Junis is telling the umpire, hey, that ball glanced off my foot, not the ground, so it should have gone in the air. That's a double play.
Yo, isn't this baseball? That's definitely an assist. Ask De Bruyne, he'd tell you what's up. Number 9. Want to know what beats a double play? How about a play that gives a player 3 outs in 3 seconds?
2-2. The runners go. Line drive caught by Brooklyn.
better record than mine if you get my drift. Number 8. You think we can't beat that? Then you've forgotten that we're still on number 8 of our list. We do have something that is double the trouble. Take a look at this play.
Popped up. It's going to be a tough play for somebody. And Sandoval flips it in the air. And Crawford caught it.
It took 2 players to make 1 catch. Only in baseball, folks. Number 7. At least that play didn't take a life. That's what happened when Will Brennan smashed a bird to death with his hit.
Base hit left field. Nice piece of hitting by Will Brennan. Didn't try to do too much. He took what was there and slapped it the other way.
Get a shot right at shortstop, guys. We got a bird that may have been hit by that.
At least he commemorated this moment by celebrating like a bird when he scored a home run in the next game. Fly on, bro. Number 6. That home run was nothing compared to Julio Rodriguez's record-breaking hit in 2023. During the 2023 Home Run Derby in T-Mobile Park, with the crowd hyped and the player himself getting some coaching from the legendary Ken Griffey Jr.
Well, that's a real good start. And that's as long as we may have seen here as the second deck gets set.
106 miles per hour, 24 launch angle with 10 seconds left.
Or after this, got to do it quick, and he won't do it. He'll stop at 41.
He was able to stun the crowd by making 41 home runs. Unbelievable. Number 5. As crazy as that may be, it still pales in comparison with the fastest pitch ever thrown in the modern era of the game. Take a bow, our oldest Chapman, who set this record by hurling this outrageous fast throw.
That one hit 106. That would be a new record for the hardest pitch ever thrown. He set the mark last year.
Which sent the baseball traveling at 106 miles per hour. Hope his elbows are okay. What a pitch. Another record breaker on our list is Ichiro Suzuki, a player who has the most hits in a season.
And the ground ball back at the middle, and there it is. He's the new all-time hit king in Major League history, number 258.
With 262 hits for the Seattle Mariners in 2004. Eat that, Babe Ruth. Number 4. As awesome as that is, nothing compared to having time for the fans as you make a save.
Stepped off. That one by Millar, hit in the air, left center field. Manny Ramirez back, and he makes the catch! What a catch by Ramirez! They're going to try and double up at first, and they do! Aubrey Huff!
Take a bow, Martins, who dabbed a fan as he rescued his team. Smooth, right? Number 3. At the first of our podium places, we take a look at an acrobatic effort to make it home.
Millar hits it high and deep to right from Piscotty to home plate. And Molina.
Number 2. In second place, we have the most unbelievable catch in MLB history.
Next time you face Matt. There's a fly ball center field, long run for Jim Edmonds. That may be the best catch I have ever seen.
Surely the best catch I've ever seen. Number 1. The only way we can top this is by showing you the play that saved the nation. In the aftermath of the tragic 9/11 attack, something special occurred when the Mets took on the Braves as things looked to return to normal. In the first game since the heinous attack, many overcame their fear as Mark Piazza looked to rescue his team from losing this pivotal game.
Lopez wants it away.
And it's hit deep to left center. Andrew Jones on the run. This one has a chance. Home run! Mike Piazza, and the Mets lead 3-2.
As you can see, the fans went crazy when he hit that home run. Incredible! What a moment. What a game.